Today on Miss Wow, we dive into spruce and rose gold, mother of the bride dresses. Rich green meeting glowing blush metal. This palette feels fresh, elegant, and photogenic under daylight or warm evening lights. I'll show styles, fabrics, and accessories that flatter every body and budget. Before we go further, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay to the end for shopping tips and confidence tricks that make your look unforgettable. Spruce is a deep, calm green that whispers maturity. Rose gold adds warmth and a soft, modern glow. Together, they balance cool and warm undertones, helping many skin tones look alive on camera. Choose spruce as the main dress when you love depth. Add rose gold in jewelry or heels. Prefer shimmer? Reverse it. Keep overall harmony with bouquet colors and venue decor, so your look feels thoughtful, not accidental. Let's pick silhouettes that flatter and move well. A-line and fit and flare define the waist and skim the hips. Sheath styles create a long, elegant line. T-length feels lively for garden weddings, while floor length adds drama for evening halls. Cap sleeves soften the shoulders. Three-quarter sleeves offer comfort and coverage. Add a matching shrug or chiffon wrap for temperature changes. Always test sitting, hugging, and dancing before deciding on the day. Fabric matters. Satin and macado offer structure and shine for bold spruce gowns. Crepe and chiffon give soft flow that pairs beautifully with rose gold accents. Lace overlays add romance without heaviness, especially with subtle metallic threading. Stretch blends help comfort through long ceremonies. Check lining, so sequins or beading never scratch. If traveling, choose fabrics that resist wrinkles, and carry a portable steamer for quick fixes at the venue. accessories bring the whole story together. For spruce dresses, choose rose gold earrings or a delicate pendant to lighten the face. If your dress already sparkles, keep jewelry slim and refined. Pearls in a blush tone blend seamlessly with rose gold. Carry a compact clutch in metallic or nude. Add a soft wrap for evening breezes. Balance shine and texture, so every piece supports the outfit, not competes with it. Shoes should be beautiful and walkable. Consider rose gold, champagne, or nude heels that lengthen the leg and match most hemlines. Block heels or low platforms give comfort without losing polish. Break them in at home. Makeup should glow. Think soft rosy cheeks, bronze eyes, and a neutral lip. Keep hair elegant but simple. Sleek bun, soft waves, or a polished blowout. A delicate hair comb can nicely echo metallic accents. That's our spruce and rose gold guide for mothers of the bride on Miss Wow. Choose the silhouette, fabric, and accessories that make you feel confident and celebrated. If you want curated options, check the Amazon affiliate links in the description below. I earn a small commission while you pay no extra cost. Tell me favorite pics and wedding setting in the comments. Wishing you grace, sparkle, and beautiful memories.